How to create a highlight on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can create a highlight on Instagram. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to create a highlight on Instagram, you can simply go ahead and open up your Insta application and head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you have tapped on your profile, what you can do next is here, simply tap on the hamburger icon. Now, first things first, you can see on my profile, I haven't created any highlight. There is no any highlight, right? Now, in order to create the highlight, simply tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. And now you want to head into the archive option there. Once you tap on archive here, you can see I'm under stories archive. What I can do is now I can open up any picture that I want, any of my past stories that has been archived, and tap on the highlights option here. So if I tap on highlights option here, I can create the highlight right away. So this is how you can easily create the highlight on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues as well.